That page 312.
What is this application about?
This is an application which is filed under order 21 rule 100.
No. What is the application about? It's connected application. Can 1. Who has filed this Can 1?
We filed that.
Rely on
For?
Or we wanted to rely on some documents, my lord, since they have not disclosed all these things, that is all. Nothing more, nothing else.
In revision.
Was not taken up by your lordship.
No, I have not taken up this. I am finding that the one application for
My lord, there may be documents, one my lord, legal question that's
in the revision I will not
No, no,
certainly
no,
not
that-
entertain. The order impugned is order dated.
my lord, order is dated 17 May 2023.
Let me have a quick look.
312. Our party is only my lord 330.
300
13
page.
page.
So let me see. Oh,
Please.
313.
No, 312 is the order. It is a composite order. 312, it starts from 312. Their application was disposed of. Our application has been dismissed. That is at page 330. Can you take 312? Can you read from 312? Be clear from it. Facts will be clear from it.
Order impugned is order dated.
Order dated my lord, 17 May 2023. Is it telling?
Yes. But why are you referring 312? This is a 17th May order
17th May.
2023.
But certified copy is also there.
This is same thing, no?
Same.
Please take your seat. Let me have to. The decree which is
Eviction,
marked,
eviction.
that's been marked in second appeal decree.
Yes.
So in effect, you are executing the decree of the second
Eviction.
decree of second appeal.
Yes.
The permission which was granted by me in the second appeal to withdraw that you have applied for,
Yes.
then
You have been permitted to withdraw
that's all.
because there
Now,
is reaction
the-
from your
your
lordship.
two applications. One, proceedings of the title execution.
But my lord, my prayer is now very limited.
Very limited. Now, let me understand your
Yes,
whole.
yes, that was there, but I am not.
No, I
Practically,
understand.
I am
This
not-
is the number one. Thank you for pointing out this one, Order 21, Rule 97, by a purchaser of a share from a co-sharer of a joint property.
Correct. Not a
Now-
co-sharer. My lord, co-sharer sold it to someone. He sold it to me.
Now,
Now, my lord, kindly come to
let me gather the fact one by then the second application.
that exactly I wanted to tell you.
Oh,
about.
sorry.
No, I will only give answer. I will not make submission. No.
Please give me the page number.
Me, I.
Yes, of course.
Now, my lord, application under order 1, rule 10 of that is at page 298. 293. 294. But unfortunately, the prayer is at page. Prayer is at page 304. Instead of reading 298, kindly read 304.
These are the two applications.
No, another application is there. And that is my lord, the another application that is under 151. Your lordship will get it. The page is 302. 302 starts from page 302, but prayer is at page 298.
That is what you have prayed for.
That is my lord, prayer.
Additional. This is addition.
The petitioner, Your Honor, will be graciously pleased to allow this petition to get 1/9 share of the occupational charge. Well, my prayer is restricted to that.
Two applications.
One is actually, my lord, this 151 has to be read with this order 21, rule 101. My lord, the thing which has
That I will be inquiring from you. I have to learn from you that whether this is miscase in addition to that or miscase itself in addition to the execution. Because as soon as you have filed the order 21 rule 97, inviting the court to determine your whatever, and questioning the executability of the decree, whether a separate application for addition is at all necessary or not.
My lord, exactly, I don't think so. It's required.
Then number one. Number two, the another application possibly is that is your application seeking permission to withdraw the amount. Where is that?
That application or a copy.
Which page it
Third
is? Three applications have been disposed of.
That also in compliance of the order of the Honorable High Court. That will, you can approach.
Yes, you
court
have
with
to
the-
approve. Where is that application? Page
Yes.
number?
Just only. my lord.
There may be 259 kind of.
259.
Thank you. 259. Very good. But-
I may require to hear both the Banerjees at length. Before that, now these are the very narrow, but the legal impact is very wide. If we formulate, as I have gathered from his submission, that there are two applications of his client in effect. Other, I am not concerned about order 21 rule 97. Addition in execution case. Secondly, permission to allow him to withdraw 1/9 of the occupational charges. Can I gather that for the other rest portion, you don't have any objection?
No, I don't have any objection. That is exactly, that is the reason I said my lord, that my prayer is now very
Yes. Now,
limited.
there's only one relevant date. I will be inquiring from you. This is transfer in your favor. What is the date?
Transferred in my favor. That's the date is 15 March 2011.
15th March.
2011.
The suit ultimately decreed when?
The suit decreed on 31st January 2008.
2008. No, decreed ultimately means decreed when the second appellate.
Second
court-
appeal, that is on to 23rd koto? 29th March 2023.
29th March.
It is 29 March 2023. Here is the judgment. I have a copy of the judgment.
Yes, therefore, what is the nature of this transfer?
Transfer that is.
Transfer
yes,
pendentality?
Of course.
Transfer pendentality?
Yes.
Before you start your argument, I will be requesting you to consult 2-3 provisions of.
Mhm.
Because I want to know from you what is the legal position would be there. As well as from you, sir. So this is transfer pendentality. Your purchase is on 15th March 2011 from, this is Badrinath Infrastructure Private Limited. Your vendor, so far I recollect, it is advantage or disadvantage, I don't know. Because factually, it is still vivid in my mind
Naturally.
that Badrinath at one stage of proceeding wanted to add
Yes.
itself in the suit. Failed. My first query from you, if your vendor failed to get himself added in the suit, whether being a purchaser, you can be added in an execution case arising out of such suit. This is the first question. I do not want the answer instantly. Secondly, please take section 109 of the Transfer of Property Act. First of all, it may relate to rent, but I will take you to the occupational charges also. Proviso to the 109 puts a restriction on the transferee of to claim rent due before the transfer. Next question will come to you, Junior Bandyopadhyay. Please take note of it.
Yes.
So, this is a restriction on claim of rent, whatever due prior to your transfer. Now, if we put it in the other way around, occupational charge is not in that sense a mean profit. Please consult section 2.
Hmm.
17. Yes, 2 subsection 12 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Because there may be a bridge between mean profit and occupational charges. Sometime it has been sought to be argued before the civil code that when mean profit is to be determined under order 2020 rule 12, this course, occupational charges cannot be fixed on the guesswork or on the other materials. So there is a definition of mean profit. There is a procedure prescribed under the Code of Civil Procedure under Order 20 Rule 12, I suppose.
Most well. You can realization of that mean profit.
12. An inquiry has been contemplated. If you read all this, you will be finding that there third parties have been excluded. If that be so, in a case of occupational charges, you know better than anyone that this is a concept which has been developed by different judgments. Starting from before Attaran, the division bench of our court in Attaram, possibly.
Attaram.
Before this Atmaram, that was the division bench of there. The concept of these occupational charges and the date of that was determined. Yes, this was, I'll be supplying you the judgment. There, in all cases, this is between the person in occupation. Mean profit is what is that you, after the decree, you are in wrongful occupation. It is prerogative of the landlord. Now, if you come to the definition of landlord under the 56 Act, these are the things you have to satisfy me to have 1/9 share. Addition that I will consider in view of your order 2197, whether at all necessary or not. But if you define definition of landlord, if you go through that, it will be easier for me to.
Therefore, your lordship's query, if I have understood in the way that leave aside the order and etc., whether I am entitled to get 1/9 occupational charges at all or not on merit.
1/9 means 1/9,
Whatever it may be.
whatever
Whatever
this
it may be, whether I am entitled to get
exactly.
in view
Exactly.
of the provisions of the Transfer of Property Act, mainly section 109.
Again, I'm telling you, there's another hurdle may come in your way because it is a 56 Act.
ও তোরা এত কথা বলিস না, জজ সাহেব বলছে তো, তোরা তো এখানে বসে থাকা উচিত না, জজের চেয়ারে যে বসে যাওয়া উচিত।
2D,
And 2D of transfer property.
West Bengal premises since 1956. Is there any privity of contract? I'm exhausting myself so that I.
No, no, yes,
I-
yes, I have got your plot. This point, but
And lastly, what you have acquired? You have acquired 1/9 share. Whether your sale is hit by Lispendis or not, 52 will come into operation or not, Transfer of Property Act. That is to be for them to take the objection or not. But fact remains, if this puts an embargo on your client that your purchase to claim the area rent as well as you may have on the proof of the perfect title, acquisition of perfect title, you may have a claim against the other co-sharers who are, and it has been held to be, they are entitled to maintain a suit for eviction against their tenant, entitled to, they have been defined as a landlord, affirmed as a landlord. That is why I'm showing the definition of landlord,
landlord.
entitled to receive the rent. Obviously, and as a corollary of it, they are entitled to receive the occupational charge.
correct.
Right? So, if they are entirely into your remedy, maybe if you have any by dint of your purchase against them, by you have other recourse, not in the execution case. This is my prima facie view.
Milord,
You may
other
start.
recourse, other recourse I have a, Milord,
Very well,
I
very
have a-
well,
I have
very, very well.
Milord, Milord, the judge,
Now these
Milord,
are-
no, I will consider all this and I will come back. There's no problem. I will
Tell me
consider
when.
all this. Next week?
Tell me when,
ও তো থাকবে না, next week.
before vacation, after vacation.
No.
No, no, next week, Tuesday or Wednesday.
Sir, see the list.
Only Tuesday, Milord,
See
after
the
the,
list,
after
sir.
Wednesday, I will
This-
not be here. Vacation for. I think they are having an urgency. I can't say after
Mr.
vacation.
Banerjee, what is the next date fixed in the execution case?
19th of September, 19th.
19th of September. And as it is done, my lord, since my lord not from the service, but from the bar, whenever a matter is pending with the trial court, I did also same thing in my junior state. I could pay matter.
No, no, there is an injunction, interim order is there in this matter.
What is
Interim order,
Pass.
yes, yes.
No, not staying the
No,
execution
no, no,
case there.
not staying the
No,
execution.
I am clarifying.
no,
Pendency
no,
will not deter the executing court to
No, no.
proceed.
That
This
Not
is regarding money and addition.
money has nothing to do with that execution. Absolutely correct.
Under the pending final disposal of the revisional application, this court of the view that the degree holders are entitled to withdraw the amount as directed in the second application. Leaving aside 1/9. Leaving aside
That
1/9.
interim order will continue.
Leaving
That I'm-
aside
but-
1/9.
But pendency, we cannot deter the executing. court
I
to
am not,
proceed.
Milord, let me very, I'm very candid to your lordships, Milord, that only 1/9 share I am concerned. I am not concerned about it.
Tell me when after vacation. I have formulated the question.
After the vacation, then Milord, first week of November or second. week. কি বলছিস?
Just say police execution is continued. Very well. If possible, before vacation,
But
my lord, I
First
don't
week you will be here.
First
November
week of-
first week.
First week of?
November you will be here.
Yes,
after
yes,
the-
yes. I will be here.
8th দেখো তো শুক্রবার আছে 2 p.m. 8th.
Not on Friday, Milord, Thursday and Friday.
Thursday and Friday you have difficulty.
No, they say JPC on the walk-up committee.
6th of Wednesday. 6th of November. আসুন